Right guys, welcome back to the channel again. Today we got AJ's car in. I'll just show you it there. And there's AJ there. Hey. We had this car in a couple of weeks ago. There was a couple of little issues with it. One issue was the recirc valve. What I'm going to do is I'll quickly put a little video up of the noise it was making. Some of you may know about the turkey noise, but this is it. Straight down.
That is the turkey noise.
Yeah. As you can see down in there, you got the recirc valve. So we've got to do a new rebuild kit for the recirc valve. It did have a water leak, which we've cured. It was from that pipe down there. We've cured that leak now, but he had a few boost issues. What I'm going to do is I'm going to connect up the boost leak test, show you exactly what it was doing for the video, and then we're going to show you building the recirc valve up and putting it on. Plus we've got this over here, which was the oil. Was it the oil pressure, isn't it?
Yeah, oil pressure sensor, I think.
Yeah, the oil pressure sensor, that was leaking oil as well. So we've got a new one of those, which is going to be going on today. That's the rebuild kit for the recirc valve. And he's managed to get another rocker cover and a rocker cover gasket, because we suspect that the other one was leaking. And we've got a bit of Miller's oil there just to top up for any of the leak that has used some of the oil. And just one other thing guys as well, time the car was here, I actually damaged the kit. As you can see here, the kit snapped on the ramp because obviously the legs are a little bit higher than the actual car. So if you have got any of these Maximum Design kits and you're coming to me to have work done, if you can remove them the day before you come down, just so it prevents this from snapping again. Because I broke this kit here, I have actually forked out of my own pocket a brand new set of Maximum Design, brand new, as you can see from the company, to replace both the side skirts. There's both of them there. This is the leak that we were seeing, was down here on the recirc valve. You can probably see all the foam bubbling up. That was one of the boost leaks that was finding on the car, so we're going to rectify that now. Now you see that bolt there? That's the bolt we got to get down to the little Allen key. You've got to modify the Allen key. What I'll do is quickly show you. Allen key like that. What we have to cut the end off of just to make it fit into the actual Allen key hole. That's the only one that you need this for. The others we can get into it quite well. So now it's all built up, all the new seals in there, all plunging okay. Just show you. Right, just remember guys, I think I reminded you last time in the last video that this little slit is got to go in upwards basically. So when you're installing it, just make sure that that's the right way up and that's at the top. Now we're moving on to the oil pressure sensor. As you can see it there, you can see it's been leaking out the back of it. So we've got the new one. We're going to whip this one off and replace it with the new one, because they do always fail and start leaking. So as you can see, it's all dripping down onto his drive shaft and underneath it. So we're going to clean that up as well. But the main issue is to place the oil pressure sensor. Now we've done everything, done the recirc valve, done the oil pressure sensor, we've even put the side skirts on, as you can see, done a new rocker cover, as you can see. Now what we're going to do is we're going to give it a nice little spruce up, because you've got all like the dirt inside the engine bay, all the grubby bits and that. So we're going to clean all this up. We're going to clean all the bottle down there for the power steering. Just clean everything up, make sure it's all nice and clean and tidy, and just make it look nice. That's it for today. Another successful day. Done AJ's car. There's AJ there, looking very happy.
I can see some GM logos I've never seen before.
yeah. Just look how clean this is, guys. This has come up really well, actually. As you can see his turbo and all that lot now. Everything's all clean. All his gearbox, so you can actually see the separation of the gearbox and the engine now. Everything's all done, all clean. Remember the dirty bottles you always get on the old power steering? Even done inside the hood with all the little mirrors, which looks very effective. But yeah guys, and that's it. So everything's all done. Right guys, but that's it for today. I'm going to leave all the links for AJ's Instagram in the description. I'll also put it up under here as well. But yeah, hope you all enjoy guys. Sorry I wasn't putting up many videos for the past couple of weeks, but I had a few issues with the computer. All fixed now, back on rolling, so more work to come. We've got a few other things coming up. We've got Race Wars coming up, we've got BHP show coming up, my car coming back, all the things being done to it. So yeah, just another thing as well, that all the side skirts are back on for the maximum. Yeah, so just remember guys, like I said before, if you've got any maximum side skirts, do remove them before coming down. Like I said, first car I've ever damaged, I was absolutely mortified, but everyone's happy. Another VXR saved and on the road again. Another happy man.
Yeah.
Hey. So yeah guys, right, so that's it for today guys, and catch you on the next one. Have a good time. See you later guys.
When I'm putting my foot down, I can actually feel like boost coming through.
That's right, exactly.
Yeah, even when I just let off turkey